I think that's the problem with me. So guys, check out JPEG, what he sent me, man. Amazing, amazing weapons, man. An AK-47 Vulcan, seriously. What the fuck? Seriously, I have no words, man. What the fuck, man? With this AK-47 Vulcan, I will, it plays itself. Seriously. What the fuck, man? Seriously. I have no words, man. Thank you very much, man. They are from GPAC. Yeah, yeah, they are nice. Even the P90, man, seriously. Seriously, what the fuck, man? AK-47 Vulcan, it's by far my favorite weapon. And this AVP Worm God, seriously. my my friend King Cat plays with AVP and he will kill me for this. Seriously. Yeah, GPEG, I will most probably keep them some, but I have to change the the way I do giveaways if I want to keep them. Probably I will do some special giveaways, some big events. So JPEG, no, I have no words, man. No more, no words. Seriously, I have two AKs. Frost Side Misty and AK-47 Vulcan. Seriously, they are amazing. Nice, nice, man. Thank you. Yeah, JPEG. I have to think through. I will most probably use them as to grow the channel. You know, look, JPEG send me these items. It's an AK-47 front side Misty. You like it? Okay, this one AK-47 Vulcan. Seriously. If it was a shoe with the AK in it, then oh my god! Or a Dolce Gabbana handbag with the AK-47 Vulcan, then that's nice. But no, no way. Thank you, GPEG. Seriously, no words. I will calculate the value of them and I will give you the fish as a gift from me to you, man. Yeah, if it's not Chanel. So guys, let's make a giveaway. JPEG, I will try to promote the channel as best as I can with the items, with the value of the items. Usually, I don't know if you know, but I make special giveaways, which I prepare, and those who have more fish have more chances. Like big items like this, I usually give one or two at the monthly giveaway. Then there I have the most people entered. Like last time 42 was my biggest peak, and the average was 25 for 25 people viewers for about 3 hours. So I will take your donation, man, JPEG, and I will make the best of it to grow the channel. And thank you very much, man. I appreciate it a lot. So guys, let's make a P90 giveaway. In the meantime, JPEG, the fish is just a gift from me to you, man. You can do whatever you want with the fish. It's just a small appreciation gift. And also, I will put you as a top donator. I will calculate the value and I will put you up there. Thank you, man, very much. So let's make a Star Trek P90 Elite build giveaway. Let's see. Oh, anyway, nice surprise, JPEG. I didn't expect that. I don't usually expect. Did I mess up the word, man? No, I didn't. I usually don't expect donations. So when they happen, I'm really happy because people enjoy the hobby, my hobby, and they want to. I don't know how to say it, to grow the channel and stuff like that. So guys, after this we will do some overwatches if you guys like to, because it's getting late. Tasig, if you are on, good job, man. Nice carry, top fragger, awesome skill on Tasig, guys. He's really good to play with when I stream. It's really good. Let me wait. Where is my phone? Okay, JPEG, if we have a few seconds, let me do the pleasure of 1 second. AK-47 Vulcan, seriously, what the fuck, man? 20 euros. What the fuck, man? You're insane, man. My wife just says she might be second place for the first time at fish. So JPEG, wait. One second, guys. Where can I see the... You send a message before... One second, guys. I'm looking for the message he wrote. Okay, I got it. Okay.
But I'm a generous god. I can make you rich beyond all measure. I will make a warlord of all Greece. You will carry my battle standard to the heart of Europa. Your Athenian rivals will kneel at your feet. If you will but kneel at mine.
You are generous. As you are.
Seriously.
Divine. O King of Kings.
Keep up the stream, brother.
Seriously, man. Thank you very much, man. No words. No. No words, man. This they are the they are the skins value, man. Exactly. No words, guys. It's one of the biggest donation I got. I still have to fix the I don't know why the last donation doesn't update. It does now. So thank you man. Thank you again. Zake, there are the skins. That's the amount of the skins he sent. I had a shitty week, but I didn't expect this. So guys, enter feed to enter the giveaway. GPEG, I hope you saw the donation alert. If not, I will play it back again. Dude, I'm too young to die from a heart attack. Look at the tray, what the fuck, man? So guys, let me show you what the fuck. So, a Star Trek AVP Hyperbeast field tested, man. Are you sure, man? Are you 100% sure? You, I can still refuse it, man. If Zach, I haven't rolled, man. Guys, what the fuck? Type. You can type. Oh my god. What the fuck, man? Guys, should I refuse this trade? He's insane. JPEG. Is it too early for you, man? Are you still sleeping? What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Star Trek AVP Hyper. Man, I don't play with AVP, but for fuck's sake, I will start playing. From now on, I'm a AVP. Nobody plays in my team with AVP. Now I will be the... What the fuck? It's a red color, for fuck's sake. Oh my god. King Cats is crying. So, you like this one? Even my wife is like, oh my god, red, pink, oh my god. It has some green, what the fuck, man. You cannot see it, sorry. I blanked. I'm Seriously, what the fuck? Even my wife is like has no words. Yeah, the stream died, man. You know, it cannot handle this. What the fuck? Oh my god, man. I have no words, man.
Asta cât costă? Cât costă să știu?
Okay, let's see how many fish. And
Oh,
oh my fuck! Oh my fucking god! Are you serious? 68 euros? What the fuck, man? I don't get paid 1 week as much as this man. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Seriously, I don't earn this much in 1 week, man. I can basically pay my rent with this Hyperbeast. When the owner will come, I will say to him, man, give me your trade link. I will pay my rent with this man. What the fuck? What the fuck?
n-am ce să-ți dau să...
Oh my fucking god, man. Oh my god. Seriously. What the fuck, man? Are you sure, man? You can still change your mind, man. Seriously, if you want it back, no problem, man. Oh my fucking god, man.
Oh my god.
Man, I'm crying here, seriously. Let's see.
But I'm a generous god. I can make you rich beyond all measure.
What the
I
fuck,
will
man?
make you warlord of all Greece. You will carry my battle standard to the heart of Europa. Your Athenian rivals
So,
will kneel at your feet, if you will but kneel at mine.
You are generous. As you are divine, O King of Kings.
man,
Rent for 1 month in your small country.
seriously, man. What the fuck? Epic egg, yes, I will, but wait.
Foarte bine. Are 11.000.
My wife. My wife, what the fuck, cheap egg. What the fuck, man? Is this what? It's a butterfly knife case. Oh my fucking. Are you seriously, man? What the fuck are you doing, man? Seriously, what the fuck? Oh my fucking god, man. What the fuck? It's a butterfly knife for fuck's sake, man. What the fuck? I will not ask you this if you want it back. Man, what the fuck? What the fuck, man? Oh my fucking god, man. It's my first knife and it's not even a kitchen knife, man. What the fuck? Dude, I have no words. I kept I kept making jokes with the followers that I have I will make a giveaway in a knife kitchen, and now I have a knife. What the fuck? JPEG.
Black screen.
It's again the black screen. What the fuck? Oh my fucking god. Sorry guys, I don't. I cannot handle this. What the fuck, man? A butterfly knife case hardened. Seriously, what the fuck? You guys keep saying it's a black screen, but what the fuck? Yeah, Babson, I'm only 29, man. I have to take the to see if my heart still works okay right now. I tested it like 2 weeks ago, but after this donation, guys, I have to go back to my heart doctor. I don't know how to say it now. What the fuck? Let me guys drink a little. I will I will black out here. I don't know how to say it.
Just cât costă?
I'm afraid to look at it, how much it costs. JPEG, I cannot read the chat, seriously guys. I cannot, I cannot concentrate. You never have to work, yeah. I mean, actually JPEG, when I saw you at the beginning of the stream, I saw that you streamed. I check. I don't know why I checked because of that TV. I checked your stream, and that's why I asked you if you stream or not. Uh, I don't know if I followed you then, but I wanted to actually make a ride on you because that's what I do when I have followers who stream. I usually make them a visit, but I make them only at special giveaways. When I have a lot of people online. So seriously, what the fuck? Oh my fuck! It's 150, 140, 14 euros. I don't know how to say it in English, for fuck's sake. What the fuck? So guys, this butterfly knife is 140 for how the fuck for 14 euros. Seriously, man, you just donated me my 1 month of work here. I can pay like 2 months. What the fuck? What the fuck, man? I have no words. So seriously, man, you're insane. If you want them back, I will give them to you back right now. No problem. Seriously, you think it through, man. If you want them back, no problem.
But I'm a generous god. I can make you rich beyond all measure. I will make a warlord of all Greece. You will carry my battle standard to the heart of Europa.
I don't.
Your Athenian rivals will kneel at your feet. If you will but kneel at mine.
You are generous. As you are divine, O King of Kings.
I don't. So, man, you have so much fish. You can feed Africa, man. For fuck's sake, man. What the fuck, man?
Nice shot.
Man,
Oh my god.
man, JPEG, I don't know, what's the second day of the week? Tuesday. On Tuesday I had surgery at knee. Um, and it was postponed like in the last 10 minutes. And it was a shitty day, you know. It's a really stressful day, and I took off the whole week from work to get over it. And I didn't expect that something like that, man. Something like this. So thank you, man. It seems like karma fucks you over, and then it changes back, you know. But seriously, JPEG, what the fuck? So guys, I will not give you the P90. I I will not make the P90 giveaway. You know. Uh, Seriously. I have no words. No words, guys. I will give away this AK-47 Frost Mint. Frost front side misty. Sorry guys, I cannot speak. I will give this away for you guys because from JPEG. This is from JPEG. It's such for fuck's sake, guys. Sorry, I cannot even speak. Give me guys a minute or two to for fuck's sake. Let me read. So let's make a AK-47 Frost Mint. I like it, but because JPEG was so generous, I have to give back now something. Seriously, let me change the title. I'm like 5 minutes here changing the pro. Yeah, I will do that, man. Seriously. Wait, JPEG, I'm still try to recover from this, man. I didn't wait. Type feed now, guys. Let me give you. Seriously, man. I have no words. So, guys, thank you very much, JPEG. Thank you. I have no words. Seriously, man. I hope you come back tomorrow, and I hope I Candy Panda. Uh, yeah, JPEG made over 200 donations in skins, and I'm really fucked up. So, guys, yeah, let me restart this. I will allow more fish to enter. Type feed again with feed an amount, guys. You can bet as many fish as you want. Yeah, JPEG, I'm always at this hour. Yeah, Terror Moose. I will do opening case. I will do that. Zach, we are giving away this AK-47 front side Misty. You can feed as many items, as many fish as you want. Yeah, JPEG, it's just from you, man. From Terror Moose on this stream. I don't know. So, guys. Guys, this this item and many more. Let me show you guys what JPEG sent me. I honestly don't know how to enter with bots. How do you play offline with bots? Harbo, no, I don't hunt. Spencer, you're here for the roleplay. Guys, just type feed and an amount, the amount of fish you want to enter. If you enter with more fish, you have more chances.
Let's go! Let's go!
I have no money. How do I give money, man? Guys, who? Give me money. Guys, how can help me, guys? I want to test the. I didn't set the disable when you're alive. How can you play with the... Seriously, I don't even know how to...
Let us go.
Test if people are bots, cause you increased a lot in viewers in a few seconds. Yes, I will test them, no problem. JPEG on that match, you mean? Bonzio, JPEG made the donation in skins on at value 240 euros, something like that. What the fuck, I will cut this box, guys. I will cut it. Will the knife be worth if I still cut it? Yeah, I'm making it cut a lot easier, you know. What the fuck, man? Oh man. Yeah. I hope I will not cut myself with this knife. Seriously, man. Dude, with these skins I will concentrate better at gameplay. Guys, how can I give myself money? F and R? What the fuck? Oh my god. Yeah, doesn't matter. I'm DMG, I will downrank. Just look at it in competitive gameplay all day long. What the fuck? So JPEG, I have no words, man. How can I put money, guys? Help me, guys. What's the comment to have a lot of cash? Okay, go to deathmatch. Okay, man. I will go to the deathmatch. What the fuck, man?
Let's roll.
MP start money. Okay. I will go to the... With these skins, guys, the items will play. Let's see. Let's test the AK. Oh my god! Oh my god. Wait, the stream is lagging me. That's why I got knife. Africus, do you have kids to feed? Are they getting hungry? I can't even shoot, guys. My hands are shaking. What the fuck? Why? I don't want this weapon. Guys, if you want AK-47 Frost Mint, join the stream. The giveaway will be soon, man. I used to call me Thank you guys for thank you guys for the follow. Hello Tommy. Sorry guys, look dude, look at my knife. Don't kill me, don't kill me. Just look. Why did you kill me? Hey, don't kill me. Look at the knife, look at the knife. Don't kill me. What the fuck, man? I just wanted to show off my knife. Don't kill me. Look at the knife. They're jealous. They are jealous, guys. So let's cut somebody with the knife. Let's see how it works. Yeah, not that guy. What the fuck? They are just jealous, guys. That's why they killing me. Yeah, man. I will knife him. Dude, stay. No, no. Oh my god, did you see the knife before you killed me? Does anyone want to die by my new knife? Anyone, guys? I guess that guy didn't. I'm from Romania. Professor. It's yeah, it's still a frostside giveaway. But I'm trying the new knives. Let me try the AVP. With the AVP I'm a godlike player. Check this beast out. Oh, for fuck's sake. Dude, I have a nicer AVP. Check my AVP out, man. Don't kill me. Hey, why the fuck did he kill me? But
Nice shooting.
for fuck's sake. Check my AVP, man. Don't kill me. Look, for fuck's sake. He's jealous. He's jealous, guys. Just type feed. For fuck's sake, man. I have the first kill on this. Yeah. The no zoom works, guys. With this MVP Hyperbeast, I don't even need the zoom. Seriously, don't kill me, man. Don't be jealous. I'm a friendly guy with MVP Hyperbeast. Don't kill me. I know you're jealous. That guy has issues. I don't know why. Why can't we not live in peace with MVP? Boncio now is the giveaway. Hey, stop shooting. Guys, let's rush B and check out my AVP and the knife. Guy, hey. It's a. Did you see? Hyperbeast. You get knife. What the fuck, man? They're criminals. The keyword is just type feed to enter. Stop killing me, guys. What the fuck are they doing?
Yes, fucking.
Did you see the AVP, man? Don't kill me. Look, look, look. You're an AVP, man. You can admire this Hyperbeast. Check. What the fuck, man? He was my friend. AVP guy, I have Hyperbeast. Check it out. Alpha Pro, don't be mean, man. Seriously, what the fuck? I have no words, guys. Ah. Did you guys see that? No zoom. I saw it. Seriously. Candy, good luck, man. I'm like a kid with a new toy. Don't shoot at me, we can be friends. You can watch the AVP. And there goes. We're done, we will not be friends. I will not. I don't know why these guys don't want to see the AVP. Hey man. Dedo. Dedo. Hey, hey. Dedo. Can you hear me? You died, motherfucker. Terror Moose, if you win the skin, you will just gamble it. Yes. Basically, with this AVP, it makes the frags alone. Hello, Football Davis. Yes. Die from the AVP Hyperbeast, man, die.